guys, welcome back to Java session. Today we are going to discuss about the map interface. As of now, we discussed the collection hierarchy. There we covered the list interface and set interface. Today I am going to cover the map interface, right? So in the list and set, there we are having the list of values like this. Something 56, 65, 82, 91, and 13. This is how we have the list of values. To access these list of values, we have the indexes 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, right? So by using these indexes, you are going to access the value of that list or value of that particular set. Now, sir, let us assume this 56 is a marks of Ravi and this 65 are the marks of Mahi. This 82 is the marks of some Amar. That in the sense, each value is associated with some name. Sir, in this case, I want to store both the name and the corresponding value, right? That in the sense, Ravi, what are the marks got by Ravi? And Mahi, what are the marks got by Mahi? This is how I want to store the name along with the marks. So to store this kind of data, we don't have any data structure in the list and set. For that purpose, we introduced this map data structure. There you can store values on basis of key and value, right? There, this map interface, it contains a pair like key along with value. Every key, each key, it is associated with a value pair. So this key and value, the pair or that group can be called as a entry in the map, right? Here in map, it contains only unique keys. Here, what we are saying, Ravi, his marks are 56, and Mahi, his marks are 97. Again, if you are taking a Ravi with 98, right? Here, Ravi is the key. Ravi, Mahi, these are all the keys. And 56, 97, 98, they are all the values. Sir, here I'm taking the key as twice. So can we take a duplicate key in the map? Better you cannot take the duplicate key. If you are taking the duplicate key, what will happen? It will update the value. Duplicate keys are not allowed. It contains only unique keys. Sir, can we have the duplicate values? Of course, better. For example, Ravi, he got some 76 marks. Mahi, he also got the same marks. So the values can be duplicate, but keys cannot be duplicate, right? So this map basically it is useful to have search, update, delete. So if you want to do this kind of manipulations basis of the key, so that can be done by using this map interface, right? Now I'm moving further. This is the hierarchy of map, right? It's an interface. It is having a sub interface that is sorted map. There we have the tree map, right? And we have one more implemented class that is hash map and linked hash map, right? This is called as the map hierarchy. Whenever you are adding this map hierarchy to the collection, then it will become a complete collection framework, right? Now, sir, what is the difference between these three? That is, here we have the tree map, hash map, and then we have this linked hash map. So do we have any differences among these three? Of course, beta. Here I am going to explain the difference between the hash map, tree map, and linked hash map. So here, this hash map, it is implementing the map as we know. It do not contains any order. It do not maintains any order. That is hash map. When it comes to linked hash map, it maintains the insertion order, right? And when it comes to tree map, as we know, tree is implementing the sorted map. Sorted means we are arranging the elements in a particular manner. That means it maintains the uh, order. So, sir, which order it maintains? Beta, it maintains the ascending order. So, hash map, it do not maintains the order. Linked hash map, it maintains the insertion order. Tree map, it maintains the ascending order. This is the difference between the uh, three different classes, right? Now, I'm moving further. I'm going to implement this map interface. Sir, what are the methods we have within this map interface? Better, we have the different methods like put method, which is used to insert the element, right? If you want to insert more than one element, or if you want to insert another map, then we use put all, right? Sir, I want to check a particular element is available or not. If it is not available, then I want to put. Then put if absent, that is the method. If you want to remove, then you have a method called as remove method. I will write here all the methods. Put method, which is used to insert the element, right? There you need to use key and value, right? If you want to put more than one method, one object, then put all, right? There you can add a map, existing map. Sir, I want to put if the element is absent. So then you have put absent is a method which is used to put a particular element is not present in the map, then this particular element we are going to add. So if I want to remove, then you can use remove method to remove that particular key from the uh, map, right? If you want all the keys from the map, then you can use this key set function to get all the keys. Then if you want to clear the map, then you can use clear function to clear the elements from the map. So these are all the clear method. So these are all the different methods. Sir, I want to get the elements from the uh, uh, map. Then you can use entry, right? Entry is the sub interface of this map. So there, by using this entry, you can retrieve the elements from the map. This I am going to show you in the programming, right? Don't worry. So these are all the different methods which are there. So what methods which are there in this um, entry sub interface, right? There you have the get key, get value, hash code, set value, equals method. So these are all the different methods. They are all present under the entry sub interface. By using this, we can get the elements from the map, right? So let's see an example for this map interface. Yeah. So this map can be implemented by using any of its implemented class. I'm using the hash map, right? Where you can specify the data type. So my key is of integer type, my value is of string type, right? So I'm creating object to this map interface, right? So hash map of, you are specifying the type of it and you are implementing by using this hash map. I am creating object to this. So now this holds a pair of values. If you want to add the pair of values to this uh, hash map, so what we use the put method. So put 100 comma Amit. This is the, assume like this is a roll number and this is a name. Roll number, name, roll number, name. So for same roll number, you should not have the duplicate values. 100 is mapped with 100 is this is a key. This is a value. 100 is the key. Amit is the value, and 101 is the key. Vijay is the value, and 102 is the key. Rahul is the value, and again 100 it is already mapped with Amit, but you are giving one more value like Amitesh. So what will happen? This Amit is going to be replaced with Amitesh, right? Sir, now I want to retrieve the values. You can retrieve the values by using different methods better. Here I'm, as we discussed, I'm using the entry is the sub interface, which is implementing the which is the part of this map interface. So I'm using that entry sub interface to get the elements, right? So entry set, which is used to get the element pair by pair, right? I'm getting the pair by pair from the map interface, and There I want to get the keys separate and values separate. You can use get key and get value. So whenever you are using the get key, it displays all the keys. If you are getting the get value, then it displays all the values which are there in the map interface or asset object. Now I'm going to execute this. See the output. You can see here, I'm compiled and run the code. So Amit is mapped with 100, that is mapped with Amitesh, right? Then Vijay and Rahul. This is how map interface, it will store the values and we can get the values by using this uh, entry sub interface, right? Now we will see what is this dictionary, right? And followed by hash table. Yeah. Coming to the dictionary, but this dictionary is a predefined class in this util package, but it is an abstract class, right? So whenever some class is an abstract class, for that particular class, we cannot create object, right? So, and this represents the collection of key value pairs only, where keys are unique and values are you can access by using those keys, right? So it was the part of this collection framework, which is introduced in Java 1.2, but this has replaced by using this map interface, right? Now I'm going to talk about this dictionary class. So this dictionary class, as I told you, it's an abstract class. It cannot be created object directly. So that's what we will do. We can achieve this abstract class by using the hash table mechanism, right? So here, these are all the different methods which are there in the dictionary class. So get is the method which is used to get the value which is associated with that particular key, and put is used to insert the key and value, right? Remove is used to remove a element from the dictionary, and you have three more methods. Size method, which is used to find the size of that particular dictionary, how many elements which are stored in that. Is empty, it finds whether the dictionary is empty or not. If it is empty, it returns true, otherwise it returns false. If you want to get all the elements in the dictionary, then you can use this elements method. Sir, I want all the keys. You can use keys method to get all the keys from the dictionary. These are all the different methods which are available in the dictionary class. Now, sir, how to implement this dictionary means you can implement this dictionary by using this hash table class mechanism, right? Now, I will show you. This is an example for the dictionary. Here, what I'm doing, I'm importing the required packages. Here, this dictionary is available in the util package, right? Enumeration, it's an interface to get the elements in the random manner, and hash table, it's a predefined class that is also available in the util package. Now, here, I'm implementing this dictionary is the abstract class that can be implemented by the hash table. So that's what I'm creating object for the hash table. Hash table is also implementing the map interface, right? Here, hash table also contains the key value pair, right? So all the keys will be stored here and they are going to be mapped with the corresponding values, right? Ravi, Mahi, Sham, Amar. This is how we are going to map each and every key with the value. So this can be done by using the put method. Here you can see to the dictionary, I'm adding the values by using the put method. So alias, Bob, Charlie, and with their ages, right? If you want to get the elements, you can use the get of key, then corresponding value will be displayed. Sir, I want to modify. You can modify by calling the put method. So Charlie, earlier we inserted with the age of 35. Now I am inserting with 40. So if you want to get the old value, that can be displayed. But whenever you are displaying this, you'll get 40 because updated value will be displayed. If you want to remove element, then you can call the remove method so that that particular key will be removed from the dictionary, right? Now, this is the enumeration is the interface. By using this, you can retrieve the values from data structure. Here, I'm applying this enumeration on the dictionary, right? I want to get all the keys from the dictionary. So dict dot keys is the function or method which is used to retrieve all the keys from the dictionary, right? Those will be stored in the reference variable of this enumeration, right? K dot hash more elements. If you have more keys, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. If we have, then I want to get it. So k dot next element, we will get that key will be stored here. So I am displaying the key and I want the value, then you can call the get method to get the value of that particular corresponding key. So that's what I'm doing, dict dot get of key, then the value which is associated with this key will be displayed. This is how we implement this dictionary, right? Now, we will discuss this hash table in detail better. Sir, yeah, what is this hash table means? Beta, hash table, this is a class which implements the map interface and which inherits the dictionary class. So it is inheriting the dictionary class and it is implementing the map interface. Sir, what is the syntax? So a hash table, which is extending the dictionary and which is implementing the map interface. That in the sense, all the methods which are there in the map interface, they can be used in the hash table, and all the methods which we are discussed in the dictionary, they can also be used in the hash table, because dictionary, that there we cannot use the methods directly because that is the abstract class. Those methods are implemented and used in the hash table, right? Now, sir, what points are important regarding this hash table? But a hash table, basically it's an array of list, right? Each list is known as a bucket, right? So this bucket is identified by using the hash code method. So hash code is the method which is used to get the position of the particular element, or you can say bucket, right? This hash table contains the values based on the keys only, right? Hash table, it contains only the unique elements. It do not contains the duplicate elements. This hash table, or this hash table class does not allow the null key or null value, right? And this hash table class is synchronized. The initial capacity of hash table class is 11, right? If you are creating with more size, that also can be done. Sir, I want to create the hash table with 15, 20. That also you can do, right? Now, let's see the example for the hash table beta. You can write the same example which we used for the dictionary as well, right? So here I'm discussing a separate example. You can use the same example which we discussed for a dictionary. So here I am creating the hash table. You are specifying the key value, right? Key is of integer type, value is of string type, right? I'm uh, storing the elements, right? Hamid, Ravi, Vijay, Rahul, these are all the values. They are associated with the keys 100, 102, 101, and 103, right? And you can get the elements by using this entry map interface, right? It is entry is the sub interface of the map interface. You can get the elements, right? We are using entry set, it will get the first set of elements and you can get the value from there, and the key and values you can get from that particular object, right? This is the simple way of implementing the hash table, right? I covered different examples on the hash table in the lab session. You go through the lab session, and I'm covering the lab session simultaneously in the videos. Better practice all the programs. If you are missing out any lab program, let me know. I will do one more video, right? I am covering all of them according to the topics. And if anything is missed out, just let me know. And I will cover the missed out programs in the next coming session. Chalo guys, thank you.